Yeah. You know it. Yeah. Detroit City, Guilty Simpson. Clap it up, y'all. Beats at will. Yeah. I don't really care what squad you with, cause a real nigga don't need sponsorship. And a posse don't make me hard. I'm a leader, so I gotta play these cards and face these odds. Ain't no time to chase these broads, trying to get paper to create these jobs. And it's a fact when you're black that you don't know how to act when your belly button's touching your back. Yeah, that's why a lot of us fuck with the crack, cause it's the easiest way to double your stacks. And all the whole screen where the hustlers at, usually the pretty chick with the bubbling back. Word to Dilla Dog, I'ma get it all. Combination safe behind the picture on the wall. Even though moms raised me right, I swear to God, rap shit saved my life. Yeah, all the people in the back sipping yak, you representing for y'all niggas do it. Come on, it's a party. Everybody, all my people with the drinks in your cups, turn the motherfuckers up and go nuts. My mood swings like pendulums. I got two birds, one's a middle finger, and trust me, that's the friendly one, because my Desert Eagle will kill all who envies them. We transport info quicker than Pentiums. I'm gutter. When I'm spitting, it's classic. So walk on eggshells or I bury you bastards. I rep the D. So when you speak about me, I'm the letter between C and E. In fact, I'm the one between 3 and 3. With a smoking gun committing B&Es. And I don't fake it all I can be is me. And if you don't like it, I dare you to get excited. Detroit, nigga, my area is the tightest. The raps come easy, live it, see it, and write it. Drug war, shootout, mentally sick men. Naturally, my breed's equipped with thick skin. Yeah, all the people in the back sipping yak, who representing for y'all niggas do it. Come on, it's a party. Everybody, all my people with the drinks in your cups, turn the motherfuckers up and go nuts, go nuts.